to submit your return card on NDOWlicensing.com. So easy, in fact, that it should take you about 2 minutes, a few clicks, and then you're done. First, log into your account. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see the section for return cards and surveys. In that section, you'll see the tags that you have to report on. For example, here I have a mule deer antler tag that I need to report on. When taking the survey, you will be asked a series of questions relating to your hunting efforts. These are all required questions that must be answered. For example, if you say that you scouted, you must provide the number of days that you scouted. If you say that you hunted, you must also provide the number of days that you hunted. If you harvested an animal, you're required to report on the hunt unit, date of kill, and manner of take used to harvest your animal. For each tag, you must also report the age and sex of the animal that you killed. Since this is a deer tag, I can see options for deer, like buck, doe, and fawn. For elk tags, you'll see options for bull or cow. If you report that you took a buck or bull, for example, you'll also have to answer questions relating to antler points or beam length in the case of bull. Next, all hunters must answer if they had the opportunity to harvest but chose not to. This is required whether or not you harvested with your tag. For hunters that harvested, this gives our biologists valuable information about how selective our hunters are being in the field. Last, if you wounded any animals you were not able to retrieve, you must specify how many. If you did not wound any animals that you were not able to retrieve, simply answer no to the question and skip it. Once you have filled out all of the required information, click Submit. You will be taken back to the main page, and you can now see that your tag is reported. After this, you're all done. Simple and convenient. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick tutorial.